Day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom, sir. I am Charlie Agustin, 39 years old, married. I have one children, age 18 years old son. Living at Ramon Isabela. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I am college level. I took hotel and restaurant management.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper. I serve 1 mother and 2 children, ages 5 and 8 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, gardening, washing, ironing, and my main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure the safety of the children, and if the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and I will call my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family, especially financially matters, and to be stable in the future, sir.
If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband and my parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 in the evening after my work is done, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and extend if needed.
Can you cook the Chinese food?
No, sir, but willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Ram sam sam, ram sam sam, guli 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 guli, ram sam sam, ram sam sam, ram sam sam, guli 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 guli, ram sam sam, Arabic, guli 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 guli, ram sam sam.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, and I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you.